This one everyday habit is making your bloating worse. Yes, even if you only eat healthy. Now you might think soup would always help, but the data says something completely different. Stay with me. 3 soups that actually fix bloating and 3 soup ingredients that are quietly sabotaging you. I'll show you exactly what to cook, what to never add, and a simple soup formula so your stomach goes from heavy to light in hours, not weeks. Let's start. Most people drink soup thinking it's light, but there's one common soup ingredient that slows digestion and traps gas. Everything changed when I dug into the science. It isn't the veggies, it's the thickening agents and heavy dairy. But that's only half the story. Here's soup number 1. Ginger, turmeric, and carrot. Ginger speeds up gut motility and reduces nausea. Turmeric calms inflammation. Cooked carrots are soft and easy to digest. Sauté carrot and celery. Add fresh grated ginger and a pinch of turmeric. Simmer in vegetable or bone broth. Then blend smooth and finish with lemon. Warm, hydrating, soothing. Your gut uses less energy to digest, so bloating drops. You won't miss the heavy cream, but the next soup uses something alive, so don't scroll. Most people add fermented paste to soup and then boil it, killing the benefit. Soup number 2 is mushroom plus miso. Miso is fermented and adds live cultures that support the microbiome. Mushrooms add umami and are gentle on digestion. Combine mushrooms, fresh ginger, garlic, and vegetable broth. Take the pot off the heat and stir in the miso so you preserve the live cultures. Use shiitake or crimini for a savory base. Add a splash of tamari for depth. Don't boil the miso, preserve the cultures. If your bloating feels like trapped pressure, you're missing a carminative. Many soups ignore it. Soup number 3, zucchini plus fennel. Fennel relaxes the digestive tract and helps pass trapped gas. Zucchini cooks down into an easily digestible base. Sauté a pinch of crushed fennel seed briefly. Add chopped zucchini and carrots. Simmer until very soft, then blend if you want. Finish with fresh dill or lemon. The softer the veg, the easier your gut. The pressure releases and you feel lighter within hours. Notice the pattern. Ginger, turmeric, and fennel keep showing up. Keep them in your kitchen and you'll always have a gut-friendly shortcut. Bone broth gets hyped, and for good reasons. Glycine and a nourishing base. But it's not a magic bullet. It helps many people, but watch how it's prepared if you're sensitive to histamines. Don't do these. Large amounts of heavy cream or butter, raw or undercooked cruciferous veggies like broccoli, cabbage, cauliflower, boiling miso, or killing fermented benefits. Overloading onion and garlic if you're FODMAP sensitive. Pay attention to how your own body responds. Here's the 30-second formula you can use every time. Start with a light broth, veg or bone. Add soft veg, carrot, zucchini, squash. Include a digestive spice, ginger, turmeric, or fennel. Cook until very tender and blend for ease. Finish gently with lemon or fresh herbs or miso added off heat. I tested these on friends who tried everything: fiber, probiotics, fasting. Within 2 hours of the ginger turmeric soup, one friend said, "I feel like my stomach is deflating." Results vary, but the pattern is consistent. Now you know the soups that help. But what if some of the healthy foods you eat every day are secretly causing the bloating? In the next video, I'll reveal 5 everyday foods that look healthy but create chronic gas, and one surprising swap that stops it overnight. If you want that video, hit subscribe and tap the bell. Drop a comment. Which soup are you trying tonight? Number 1 ginger, number 2 miso, or number 3 fennel? I'll pin the top question and test one of your requests live. Now you know the secret soups. But there is one final rule you must follow when you reheat these. Get it wrong, and the bloating comes back. I'll show the reheating hack in the next video.